A fox used to be very proud of its wisdom. Often he boasted, I am the wisest of all animals. One day he went in search of food. He could not find anything. He could not bear his hunger. He was about to give up his search when he finally saw a turtle. He was so happy that he sprang and caught hold of the turtle. The fox began to break the shell of the turtle, but what a pretty, however hard he tried, he could not break the turtle. Fiercely told to the fox, why not you soak me in water? My shell will become soft and you can easily eat me. In his hunger, the fox lost his thought and let the turtle into a nearby pond. The turtle happily slipped out of the hand of the fox and swam into the pond. He came up at the center of the pond and said, hey fox, don't be too proud of your wisdom.